Well, welcome to week 11. That means there's only a month or less in the semester. So, what are we doing today? Well, we're doing peer reviews. The same basic processes we did for project one. You're going to find a classmate or a group mate, and you're going to agree to peer review each other's work. Or if there's no one in your support group who wants to do that, you'll go to week 10, you'll find someone's draft, and you'll do a peer review on it. Okay, and here's the same process. Reviewer, this is what you get out of it. Author, you get somebody to test read it to make sure it's doing. Again, peer review, same readings we did before. Read them, review the video on how to do a peer review, pick a strategy, and find a partner. The same file naming criteria. Okay. You use word comments in the discussion boxes and provide a holistic end comment. All right. And here's some suggestions on how to write that holistic end comment. And so you're going to upload the file you reviewed in your discussion response. You're going to have one of your end comments. There's no response. Instead of doing a response, work on polishing your drafts of project 2. Reminder, all peer reviews are due on Friday. There's no grace period. Why? Because project 2 is due on Sunday. So you want to give people time to take your comments and work on the revisions. So they're due on Friday. There's nothing, no grace period, no anything, no extra points for you or points for you if you turn it in Saturday and Sunday, because that doesn't do the person whose work you're reviewing any good. To get a peer review at 10 o'clock Sunday night doesn't do any good, and this is helping our classmates. So all peer reviews are due on Friday. Saturday, I'm sure you know by now, Saturday morning I'll go in, and everybody that hasn't done a peer review, well, you won't get any points. Also, I want to point out, I do glance over everybody's peer review. For project 1, some folks decided to not follow the process, just write something. Some folks decided they were just going to download someone's work and upload it without any comments. I check. So that's all I have. If you have a question for me, specifically, again, email me, that will benefit the class. Put it in the extra credit. That's all I have.